Hi, I'm Allison. I'm a freshman living in Mauer and concentrating in computer science.
And I'm Brandon Hills. I'm a freshman living in Hurlbut, concentrating in most likely applied math or mechanical engineering.
Yeah, so we worked together for the CS50 project, and we made a website called ThoughtWall, which is essentially a space where Harvard College undergraduates can express their ideas and get to know each other better.
Each user will have access to 4 different specific thought walls. The first one is the general thought wall, so anyone with an account can access it and see all the posts that anyone has uploaded to that thought wall. The second thought wall will be the year one, so anyone who's within their graduating class and decides to post to that thought wall, to the year wall, will be able to see those posts. The third one is the concentration wall, so anyone who shares the same concentration can access that one. And then the fourth is the house wall, so anyone living within the same dorm or within the same upperclassmen housing can access that fourth thought wall.
Yeah. And for every post, the user who posted its name and email address will be displayed as well, so that if you see a post that you like, you can reach out to that person directly.
All right, we'll start showing you the website.
So for the purposes of this demonstration, let's just say that I am in the class of 2020, and that I am in Hurlbut, and that I am concentrating in computer science. So I'm registering now, and as you see, now we're brought to the general wall. And you can see all the posts on the general wall. You can also sort of move them around. So say I want to put Hilary Duff next to Ralph Waldo Emerson, I can do that. I can also drag these other ones around here, as you can see. And these colors and shapes are actually randomly generated, so if I actually refresh this page here, we're actually going to get a different set of colors, as well as shapes. We also have a year wall, as we've talked before, which is also different because it's only accessible to those who are in the same class as you, a house wall, and finally a concentration wall.
Great. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate how you can make a post. So when you want to make a post, you have a title. We'll call this one 2 cities. And well, let's just say we wanted to post this. It was the best times, it was the worst times. This famous quote. So let's post it under, for the sake of this demonstration, under concentration wall, because we want all of our CS buddies to see it. So now you can see that Allison Lee posted a post called 2 cities. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times, and now we can look around and compare it. Maybe we could say, oh, let's compare the post that we just made to E.E. Cummings. We can drag them side to side. We can go down and find the one by Jeremy Lin, and we can drag it up here, just to put them together and to see what, just to give them a little comparison. So this is great, and you can also, when you go to settings, if you wanted to remove the post, say you got embarrassed, you had a misspelling, you could remove the post, and you'd have to type in the title of that post, 2 cities, and then you delete it. So now when we go to concentration wall, the post that we just created is no longer there. The next thing I'd like to show you is that you can also change your concentration and your password in your house. So let's say I were changing my concentration to folklore mythology. So now when I change my concentration, it'll change the settings of my user information. And now under concentration, there will be no posts because it looks like the folklore and mythology people don't really use our program very much. You can also change, as I said earlier, your house and your password. And I believe that's it. So thank you very much for exploring our product with us, and have a nice day.